possible. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great weekend. Ready for a great week? Give me 1 minute. I need to type a reply. Give me 1 second checking on something. No, okay. All right, sorry. All right, let's look at the markets overnight, which were wild and crazy. We saw a large dip. Did a little rise first. 69.65 was the high on ES. We dipped all the way down to 68.64. So 101 points in range. NQ high was 25.645. We dipped all the way down to 180. So almost 500 points in range. Copper. About big number. I think 900 ticks in range there, but I could be wrong. Ultra Bond over a point in range. Gold, big fall, bouncing now. Huge range, almost 500 points. Crude oil, big fall. It hasn't really bounced much. Over 3 points in range, which is huge for crude. Natural gas, a big fall as well. Bitcoin, big fall over the weekend, trying to recover a little bit. Fell below 75K, now back up to 77K. So that's where you sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take, as you see NQ fall in here. Big fall there in gold all of a sudden. Oh, hey Tris, good to see you. Hope you had a good weekend. Sorry, guys, you hear me adjusting my chair. Little bounce here. Hey, sire, how you doing? Bounce here in both NQ and gold. What are you doing, dude? No, Des. Come on. What are you after? Go lay down. Okay, let me give you some treats. Leave me alone. Bell, you hear a bell? Oh, the bell on that alerts me whenever the RSI separates more than 15. So let's blow this up and I'll show you why that I've added that, because I've added to the charts I'm watching. So those aren't good examples. I'm on a 5 minute. So as you can see, so we separate here. You can see it pull back a little bit. Separate here. I'm looking for that first reversal. As you can see, that led to that. Then we get the bell to the downside. It doesn't always mean everything, but it's definitely a great signal to watch for possible reversals. See here how that got the bell, one green candle up, bell, blue candle up, bell, green candle up, bell, it went up, didn't give me a green, well, I mean, it gave me the blue candle, but boom, boom, up, up, a little bit of a pullback there, not as much. Here, down, big purple, green, back up. Here we got bells on the green. This one worked. So that's what those are for. I had them on with a separation of the RSI by 25, and I noticed that it was better on your 15, better with 15 instead. So I made that adjustment over the weekend, did some back testing. Nice little pop there. So you can see, oops, here in gold, we got the bell here, came right back up, and I could have taken that for a nice, huge win. I mean, I wait until the first candle. So like with this Senq here, you can see we got the bell in the red, and then we got a green back up. So I should have taken this last candle here, and you can see that would have led to at least 15 points. I always wait for at least one candle confirmation for the reversal, just because sometimes they can go on for many candles. Now, the other thing I've thought about looking at, I just haven't had time to do data on it, is once I get a bell, going down to the 1 minute, because if we look at this, let's look at this. So we got this blue shaded area here with the bell here. So if we go down to a 1 minute, you can see this beautiful candle right here. So I could have got in earlier for this move up instead of waiting for the 5 minute candle to close. But I haven't tested that because here I wouldn't have got in until 10 after. Here I would have got in at 6 after, well, 7 after, and I could have got even more. But I haven't tested that, back tested that, and that's going to take a while to back test because I'll need to be having two charts side by side, the 1 and the 5, and comparing time for the time frames and all that. So that's probably a next weekend project. Getting this down to a science. Right. This Lux Algo Ultimate RSI. Don't exactly know how it's different from a regular RSI, but yeah. So you can see when the two lines separate by more than 15 is when it gives me a bell. So you can see how here we're still going up on NQ. It's a 9 EMA. It didn't go far, but so my goal when I see a reversal pattern under the 9, my goal first, and I often plot the target as the 9 EMA. So if I had taken this candle here, which the entry would have been around 480, and the 9 was sitting at 489, which I mean that's not the greatest, but obviously 9 points is 9 points. My goal eventually will be to maybe take two contracts, let one get off of the 9, move the other one to break even, and seeing if it can run. But right now, especially with how wild things have been, I'm just gonna do one. And again, on the one, if I switch to a 1 minute, you know, there were two great candles here in the 1 minute. This one right here should have led to that here. I love floaters, reversal candles, red candles like that above the 9 or green below the 9. This has been another good one right here. But 1 minute charts are just so hard to trade because, especially when things are really volatile, because it can turn into your trigger candle in the very last second. I mean, it can turn into the trigger candle on the 5 minute in the last second, but it's a lot more rare. So it's sometimes hard to make decision, or else, you know, happens at that last second, and then you, by the time you hit the button, you're late. 'Morning, Crypticon. How was your weekend? $30 on this purple candle and then Q.
Order filled.
Yeah, hold on. It's not working out so far. We'll see how it goes. He gets a good one, Paul.
Damn! Looks like it's 6 more weeks of red days.
Punxsutawney Phil saw his shadow, so 6 more weeks of winter. Keep trying to decide here, does it want to go back up or back down? Hemming and hawing around. I guess up is the direction. So we're going to take a loss. That was an iffy one, and there was also a bell on that one. So that was iffy for me to take. The bell was barely there. It was at 15.72. We were below the RSI, the signal line, so I took the chance, but we're going to get stopped. There we go. And it stops me out to the tick, and then comes right back down. Gold's calmed down a little bit. The ATR is only 27. Anyone remember when gold only went like 50, 60 points in a day at the full range? We all know, Crip, that it groundhogs can't predict the weather anyway. It's all for fun. I mean, winter goes till March anyway, either way. We're chopping now here on NQ. Hey, John. Good to see you. How was your weekend? If first you don't succeed, try again. Looks like NQ coming down here. Maybe not. Just a couple more months to go, John. Just a couple more months. See you, Crypt. Still chopping. I'm still chopping. Jay brought some candles from the city of Compton. What's wrong, John? All right. We are coming down here. I could have taken that purple candle and it would have came very close to stopping me out, but it wouldn't have, and now it would be in profit, but that's okay. See the gold still coming down. We got bells. Now we got a blue. My opinion, John, YOLO. Find a great setup. Go in with a bunch of contracts and see if you can get your target before Wednesday, because Wednesday is also when the sale ends, Wednesday night. So see if you can get your target before renewal, and if you can't, then you know start anew. You know you can pass. You just might need to increase your pacing a bit, because the thing is those it's the same deal with the 90% sale right now. Is it's only the first month, so you're gonna need to also make sure you can pass in that first month. Yep. Okay. Give me a minute. So, uh, if I know we have at least one trader in here from South Africa who comes in every now and then. I believe that's Czar. Uh, Apparently the CME has now restricted South Africa. This is coming from the CME itself. Newly restricted countries. Countries, sorry. Their list is much bigger. Wait, that's a different list. Hold on. I'm confused. Okay, well, I mean, John, I mean, the other thing is, I mean, well, I absolutely don't know your finances. My feeling is that $90 isn't going to hurt you if you prefer to just continue on. It's a different list of countries. On their list, South Africa and the Philippines is not there. Although France still is. I don't understand why France is there. France Metropolitan, yes. That's Phidias, Phoenix, and Perdia's home country. Oh, they all start with P. That's interesting. I believe so. That's what I thought I heard, but I'll need to check that out. Hey Ron, I'm sorry I forgot to say hello to you. Guess this is a developing story until we can get a list of countries that's actually correct. Blue candle back up. Well, gold's still coming down here. Yeah, he doesn't like. He's saying he doesn't like YOLO. It causes him to get back into bad habits. So, and I respect that because that I've heard that from a bunch of people that YOLOing can cause. Full port on 100K is like 15 contracts. So it may not be a YOLO, but it seems like a YOLO. I mean, yeah, even if you're taking your A plus setup, if you're full porting, it's kind of a YOLO. Gold breaks below 4,700 again. Perfect, John. Perfect. And you're doing it the right way. You know, you're not rushing. You're not, you know, you're. Just keep it up. Blue candle forming here on the gold. Darn, I missed one on the 1 minute though. I'm gonna need to bring the 1 minute and that back up on these and see and start comparing them. That would be a good trade. Just remember though that eventually Apex can put you live, and then they take you down to one contract. I mean, one contract, one account. So you might want to be looking at other firms too at some point, and you know after April, and once you're building up your Apexes, just so you have other props, just in case Apex actually cuts you off and puts you live, or there's multiple firms that allow you to have 5 live accounts each. Hey JJR, how are you doing? Okay, good, excellent. Yeah, Lucid and Legends both allow 5 live accounts, as does Tradeify. I don't know what my funded. I think my funded futures limits it to 1, but I'm not quite sure. Got to research that. And Q back above 25.5. Excellent. Green pre-market is excellent. I was doing something else. Missed this blue candle here on gold. Well, blue candle didn't end up working on anyway. We're ready to rock and rumble. Oh, oh, okay. I see. That's awesome, John. That had to feel good. Gonna start him on his way to a $1 million career. Oh, that blue candle did work. Wow, we got nice pop on gold. NQ rising up. Rise. Who am I bringing on live? I would love to have John DeFore on here live, although he's about ready to go to work. So it might not be till April when he's finally retires again. Unless he wants to come on a Monday evening stream. Which reminds me, we will be streaming tonight at 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 Central. John's one of my longtime supporters. He's been here pretty much since the beginning of MightyOxTrading. By the way, Friday, uh, Friday the 13th of February, we're going to try and have a lucky day on the unlucky day, and we're going to do it an overnight stream. We're going to do London to Asia, 9-hour stream. Did I say London to Asia? London to New York. I just realized what I said. London to New York. That makes more sense. Otherwise, we're going the opposite time. Or I'll be going like 24 hours. London to New York, 9 hours. We'll go from 2 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, I've just said it wrong. Morning, RJ. How are you? Nice run here on NQ. There's another pop on gold as well. I swear, 10 years ago, I never even heard of rare earths, and now it's like a buzzword. Gold comes back down. Crude oil opens higher, heading upwards. Natural gas trying to find a little bit of footing. Gold again, trying to pop. Big pop here in gold. Blue candle. And Q with a red candle. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Oh, sorry.
Order filled.
I didn't go to the right place, did it? There we go. We're short on NQ. Wait, why are we short 2 contracts? How did I do that? Oh, crap. Uh,
Order filled.
okay, I'm out with 1, I think. Yeah. Of course, now it starts going my way. I panicked, took the loss on 1. Looking for 5.13 here. Morning, Ace. How are you? So I'm in at 23. It dipped to 20. Now it's trying to pop a little bit again. Ah. Well, the better play would have been gold there. Rising up nicely. Oh, that was a mistake. Ouch.
Order filled.
Stuffed out. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. And now NQ comes back, tries to come back down. Hey, USC, how much snow did you get? I saw some areas got really hit hard. About 10 minutes till the bell. It's bouncing back up a little bit now, Paul, but
Damn! Looks like it's 6 more weeks of red days.
purple candle there in gold, continuing to try and push down a little bit. No desk. Still hurts on his stand. Yeah, about the same. Yeah, that's a possibility. Watching and waiting here as we head toward the bell. Hey, I'm Matt. How you doing? I mean, we've bounced some since the crazy open, but I'm not sure anyone can really say what exactly is happening. I think we come down here at the open, but I am not sure.
everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
Two minutes till the bell.
And go with the pop. That doesn't sound like a fun weekend. Big pop. Wow. One huge green bar. Ah, 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 ah. Gold, a nice pop as well. AQ giving back. Still rising. Oh, nice ace. Sorry I missed that. I was attending to something else. Did you get a runner there, Ace? And Q trying to get 25,700. Closed the gap from last night. We are very green on the day. I shouldn't say very green, but green nonetheless for NQ up to 710. Pull back here possibly on Zedgold. Yep. Heading back up on Zedgold. NQ flying. I believe I can fly. Gold flying too, back above 48. Everything's happy right now. Oh, Ace, I forgot to ask, did K-pop enjoy her birthday weekend? Hey, Teo.
Order filled. Order filled.
142.
Order filled.
Gold still rising. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Hope everyone feels better quick.
Order filled. Order filled.
There's a win. Finally. Ooh, big win. Not a lot. It was one gold trade, one micro on gold for uh like 10 10 points. Yeah, that was about 100 ticks. But it was micro, 1 micro. Start spreading the news. We're trading today. I want to be a part of it. Futures, futures.
Order filled.
So I went back in, double dipping on this gold trade. Because of a purple candle on the 5.
Order filled.
There we go. That was 13 points there, I'm at. 136 ticks. There we go. I could make up a whole song now. Not that anybody wants me to, but if I can make it there, I can make it anywhere. It's up to you and you and you. Okay, that should take me down to 0 viewers on the day. Oh, Teo, you weren't here for my groundhog video.
Damn! Looks like it's 6 more weeks of red days.
CNQ pulling back here on the 5. Johnny 5 alive. Maybe not pulling back yet. Comes back up to green. High of the day now 739 on NQ. Hey, MR. Oh, wow. Now look at gold go. Boom. Boom, shakalaka. What? Cat what? Cat what? Ooh, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Cat what? Wow, I can queue up to 800. There's a run in here. Yeah, everything's running. I'm at ES and Q. I mean ES Dow, Russell all up. Euro coming up nicely. Crude pulling back. Silver's pulling back. Natural gas with a boom. I'm gonna be honest. I thought we were gonna see a huge pullback, and we might still. I mean, like days or weeks or months worth of a pullback. And I'm not an expert in any manner, but we all know that. I mean, markets need to pull back to go higher. It's just how things have always worked. And if they don't, then something's actually off. So I don't know. We'll see. You need to write this down. In all seriousness, Tao, write this out so I can actually like use it at some point in time. Why does the 860 area have a dirty floor that it needs swept? No, I'm kidding. Sorry. More news coming in 5. Oh, maybe Taya, maybe me and you need to go out on the road as sit-down comics. I don't do stand-up. Nice. Very nice, JJR. I should probably record that parody as a short and see if I can get it to go viral. uh, what's going on, Paul? Are you okay? Why are you hanging on me today? Go find something to do. Oh, that'll just be corny, Ace. Seeing a purple candle pullback now. I'm a little bit. I want to take this purple candle, but yet we have news coming. So it's like, eh? Yeah, absolutely, Ace. See you tomorrow. Wear a mask so you don't get sick from the rest of the family.
Order filled.
Wow, I immediately got stopped out of that trade? Wow. That's why you don't take trades in the news. And I'm back in. Usually that doesn't cause any big pops, although it beat forecast by like 4 points. 52.6 versus 48.5. Gold continues to come down, and Q doesn't want to. Nope, it does not want to come down. It's going to stop me the second time. Oh, this time I'm only on one contract. Last time I was on 5. I didn't realize I was only on 1 here, but it's good.
Order filled.
Whatever. Continues up. Morning to the both of you. Red. Now go away, stupid cat. Why are you hanging on me today? You need to go lay down. Why are you hanging on me? You struggle to get through 800. There's the break of 800 up to 822. Excellent work, JJR. Up to 836. Yes, it did, Ace. Yes, it did. Up to 849. Gold pulling back. There's that 860 that MR called. Beautiful, JJR. Beautiful. Good luck there, Tris. To 874 now. Speaking of London, we will be doing a London stream on Friday the 13th. That's up to him.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're up to 883. Here we got to 912. I mean, we're only 100 points off of Friday's high now. I'm red today. I'm red. Just stupid. All right, MR, have a great day.
Order filled.
All right, absolutely nothing working for me today, and I don't understand. Whoever you had to take the call from, tell them they owe you money. I just trading dumb is all. Till I break my habit of trying to force reversals, I'm gonna get nailed all the time. Then when I do take a good trade, I accidentally only take one frickin' micro. Just watching it come down, hoping it reaches my target. Honestly, my target should be all the way down to 820-ish.
Order filled.
So I hit my target there. Not a big trade because I only went in with one micro, but gold continuing to fall. Glad I got my target because it bounced back up to a green candle there. Big bounce on gold.
Order filled.
Late, but we're going to go long on gold. One contract. And it's going to play with my emotions. Nope, that didn't work. I like that candle setup, but nope. It might try again.
Order filled.
And we're back in. So I just didn't give it enough room earlier. I wouldn't have taken the stop.
Order filled.
And we hit target. Ooh, I got lucky. Boy, did I get lucky. Went 3 more ticks and then pulled back.
Order filled.
Why? What just happened? Well, apparently I had a copier issue there. It's the first one I've had with Replicanto. Apparently the Rhythmic did not hit target. I had one Apex account on Rhythmic. It didn't hit target. It just came down and stopped out. It happens every now and then, but luckily it was only on a micro and not a mini, and oh, holy crap, we're having a heat wave. It's 28 degrees out. And coming back up. And Q curl right back around, back about 25.9. And we see gold pull back again. I like this setup on NQ. If it holds, I'm taking it. If it doesn't hold, I'm leaving. No. I believe the Dow can fly. I believe it can touch the sky. I take a trade on it every day. Then it spreads its wings and it flies away. I believe the Dow can fly. What are we talking about, Ahmed? What news? Well, gold's pulling back a little bit, but yeah, I mean, NQ. I mean, the indices did like the news. The ISM beat big time. I mean, it was absolutely a huge feat.
Order filled.
But even the recovery in gold, though, I'm not sure. Might have just been, thought it just went too far too fast. We are short NQ or MNQ on 3 contracts. Lately, that hasn't always been the case, Ahmed. The correlations have not been the same recently. Thank you, sire. Hopefully this works out. Don't like the fact that it's stalling here. There we go. Now we get some more momentum. We see all the indices here pulling back. Stalls again. There we go. 9-minute EMA on the 5 is at 853-ish. Part of me says I should put my target there. Part of me says, maybe not. Gold rushing down now. This candle got down to 856. This trade's torturing me. There we go. It's made it to that 9. Part of me says I should take it off. The trade, not my close. Well, bounced on it. There we go. Breaking.
Order filled.
Target hit. There we go. 3 micros for 34 points. Now, Teo, as a premium subscriber to my OnlyFans, you should know that stream starts later in the day. Oh, wow. Look at the bounce. Wow. It went 3 more points and then bounced. Yeah, just about $68 per contract, so $204 if my math is mathing. Not including commission. Prices may vary at participating prop firms only. Void where prohibited by law. I need to get Hassan to make an Ox After Dark ad for the London stream. Gold continuing to run downward. Did not turn the bot on the day. The bot hurt itself on Friday because of these high ATRs on gold. Trying to see if it would have been a good bot day or a bad bot day. That first one would have destroyed. And it would have. There was only 3, and it would have actually worked for 2 out of 3. And we're seeing a red candle there. Maybe. A red candle was trying to form on NQ. Now it's kind of bobbing. I feel like that green candle was a fake out. I feel like this is going to continue to come down here. And there it goes. If I looked on the 1-minute chart, it would have given me a purple candle there, and that would have been a good play. I think I think my overall strategy now should be using the 5 minute as a guide and the 1 minute to possibly sniper in those entries for the bigger moves. I think that might be my final piece to the puzzle. Because if we look real quick, and now we are getting a purple candle here on the 5 as well, so we'll watch that. But our stream's almost ending here. Oops, I didn't realize this was up the entire time. So let me move the chat out of the way here. So NQ going straight up here today. Kind of, I struggle with trend days. But let's see here. It's not a good example. Let's go to gold. You know, like here, you can see this coming down, and then we finally get the blue candle here. So let's go back and look at that on the 1 minute. Teo, we're going to turn back time. Turn back time. We're going to find our way. No, that wasn't really a good example either. This sort of got us into that trade earlier there. And then there. So I'll experiment more with this. We'll be streaming tonight. I might experiment with it tonight. But I think there might be something here of using both. Yes, it did. 822 did hit. So we have pulled back almost 100 points. Now, here's where I struggle. We have a purple candle, but with a bell. So I don't know if I should take that. Again, if I was looking at the 1, right here, this would have been a great short right there. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Or maybe I should look at the 3-minute chart, since that's the perfect average between the 1 and the 5. So what we're going to do, we're going to stay with the stream for about, a couple minutes and just see how this purple candle plays out. If it stays purple here, it's I'm going to take it on 1 micro. It's not extremely into the RSI separation there. It's 17. The bell shows up at 15. After the stream ends, I will go feed my cat, feed the strays, and then feed myself. Eggs and sausage today. Now you see how it's retreating there just as this candle's about to close. Gotta love that. Stays purple, so we're in. We're late. Wow. 6 points late, so that's going to affect things, but we'll see what happens here. The bell did go away on that purple candle because of that reversal. Now you can see it's back. So let's just look at the 1 minute real quick and see if... Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that big old blue candle there on the 1 minute. But it's coming back down. You can see how late I got in on that trade. bouncing green on this candle. And back up to my entry. Still trying. Gold trying to bounce there. That's also on a 1. I didn't realize that on a 1. Getting some extended time here on MightyOxTrading today.
Order filled.
We're long on gold too. Long on gold, short on MNQ. Except for I don't have a target on gold for some reason. Oh, my cat's throwing up.
Order filled.
We're out of gold at 13 points. That worked. I think that's how the 1 and the 5 can work in synergy, because you can see I had the blue shaded area here. So I think when I get the blue shaded area, if I go over to the 1, I can look for an entry. Seems to be struggling here, so I think I'm going to take it off. Again, the trade, not my close.
Order filled.
So 2 good wins there to end the stream. Awesome. Congrats, sire. That's wonderful. We're going to end now. We're getting a signal now on the 5, which is interesting. Now, obviously, I'm not going to take that because I'm gone. But I think that could get back up to 82 there, which is where the EMA is. Anyway, hope everyone has a great day. We'll be back tonight for our Monday Night Ox. Have yourselves a great rest of your day, and we'll see you then. And NQ is going to continue to come down here, so I could have held for my target. I can't find my software. There it is.